Welcome to WORKSHEETS Data Studio video tour. In this video, we are going to show you how to import data from JSON file into a SQL Server Database. A new operation with JSON, you will have to open JSON editor. Then you have two panels, one where you can write normal JSON files, another one is your data grid. So let's open one file. In here you can see this is a JSON, and here is a JSON converted as a table where you can do a little bit more analysis. Same way you can save data or export data or save it to the database. Before you can save it to database, you have to log in and make sure you have a valid connection. So we'll be using Public Data Connect. Create same JSON object, open same file. Now, if you save to database, you can see it mapped automatically all your fields. We're using the database, test table 1. You are defining primary keys, like in this case it is date and symbol, and choosing upsert, save. Done. Your data, your JSON data already in SQL. Now you can see JSON data in the test table 1. So now you can go and open another file. Let's open the same file, but let's make some changes. Change here 200 and 77. So we change those rows. Now save it back to a same table, to the same place. Test table 1. As you can see, the source and table field already mapped. Everything is already mapped to each other, and we can merge our changes to the same table. And if we refresh table, we can see the changes what we've made here. If you want to do some a bit more complex data manipulations or data processing, it's better to open file with GS Python. So here we have a function called open file as array. Run this function and see what's happened. So we have this same window open. Choose file you want to. Let's say same file, and here you can see you have a data as a file name, size, and data, which is a content of your file. So if you want to use data only, you can just ask for data, open file, same exercise, and you can see you have only data here. In another example, let's add some transformation to it. And before that, let's go. That way we can see a little bit more. And if we run again, just to show same exercise, we have same fields. So let's add some transformation to it. Just copying, pasting from other place. So what we have here, result from open file as array function go into file data, and then we are using map function to extend existing object, adding file name, converting date to actual date time, and adding a simple simple extra field called average, which is a simple kind of high plus low divided by 2. And if we run, open same file, we can see that 2 extra fields has been added, like file name and average. So average between high and low, or if we look in here, it's better to view in a grid. So now with this simple transformation, we have 2 extra fields, and we can save it to, let's say, to another table. And choose primary keys. Let's move file name up, and let's move average somewhere next to high and low. Here, insert, merge, and we have a new table with 2 extra fields, which is average, which is kind of average between those 2, and has a file name. So this is how we done a simple transformation. Also, we can use SQL Data API to save it programmatically without a manual, save it to database programmatically. So let's add a bit more space from SQL Data API, import SQL Data API function, and this is an example. This function requires so let's not do any print SQL. So here we have items result, and a connection is, so where we have to specify a connection name, which is public data connect. This is public data connect, and public data table 2x. This is how it's called. So now we should save everything to now we should save to public data connect, public data, all items, what would be transformed over here. So if you run this piece, choose again file, and as you can see on this example, we successfully saved data from file to the database programmatically and through the interface. And also you can do many things with this EDA. You can do many transformations. You can schedule tasks to run it on some kind of timer or whatever. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye.